Hey, it cracks me up. I made a video of how to remove a bifold door before, and it took me like 5 minutes. I explained all kinds of stuff, and lots of viewers kept saying, hey Joe, get to the point. We just wasted 5 minutes of doing something that would take just a few seconds, okay? All you do is reach there, pull the back one, swivel it down, and voila. You happy now? There you go. Just like that. You see the top has a pin in it that fits right in there, and so once you pull that, it's that quick. Now when you put it back, this is pretty much how you put it back. You get the bottom, and then what I do is I swivel it a little bit like that, and I pop it right in there, and I get that one there. Kaboom! Is that quick enough for you? Look at that. And then if you have to adjust the bottom, you see right here, it's too far away from there. It's hitting over here. So I just get there, I lift up on this because the spring-loaded deal is up at the top, and I just swivel it over. Looks like it has to go a little bit more right there. I check that. Look at that. It's fine. Kaboom. That's how quick it is to take one of those down and to put one of those up. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.